Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an apartment tour because me and Ed just celebrated our 1 year anniversary of living together a couple of days ago. So I thought, perfect time to show you guys around our apartment. I actually found a video of me from a year ago filming a fake YouTube video tour of the apartment for my friends when we moved in, so you can see a little before and after situation. So yeah, with that, let's dive right into the video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's day 3 moving into the flat, which you can tell by my hair, I look a mess. This is the entry hall, this is the door, peephole. Just going to turn you around, but I don't know how on the new iPhone settings. Should have thought of this before. So this is the hallway. These are all my shoes because I have so many. Our keys, our little visitor permit, and just the entryway to the flat. I've shut all the doors so we can do like an open door reveal, but when all the doors are shut, it is a little bit dark. Here's our phone so we can buzz people into the building, and it makes me feel really powerful. So this first room is the office. It's meant to be a guest bedroom, but because it's just me and Ed, we decided to turn it into an office because we work from home a lot. These are all my summer jackets. My winter jackets are actually under the bed. We've got some hangers for guests and, unsurprisingly, more of my shoes. So then here we've got our gift wrapping basket, so when we need to wrap gifts. And this messy shelf is Ed's, obviously. Ed's work bag and our stuff for planting plants. So we've got some compost and stuff in there, our little pin board for all the places that we've been, and a print that Ed got from a charity shop that he loves. And we got the little wooden monkeys in Bali. So this teen angst bookshelf is mine. I've had these books since I was like, I don't know, 12, a lot of them, but I still love them and I will never get rid of them. This is my guitar and our fan, dark curtains, which I love. We got these from TK Maxx when we moved in, because as you can see, the windows in this apartment, I just need to move all the way back again, are huge. So getting curtains for them was going to be super expensive, but then we found these in TK Maxx and they were actually quite affordable. They were like £30, which is great. So this is my desk. This is where the magic happens. I've had this chair for like 3 years, but all the tags are still on it. I don't know why. This is my little whiteboard where I'm trying to write down my weight because I'm trying to lose weight. This is my degree, which I'm very proud of. My monitors, my laptop, my very messy organizer. This is a little reed diffuser that I bought that isn't set out because I actually bought it for my desk at work before lockdown, but now it's stuck here. This is Ed's desk. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Obviously Ed's working from home during lockdown, so this is where he does that. These are some of our office plants. This is May, she's a Maya tree, and Ivy, our ivy plant. And we've got a little oil burner. He's obviously reading hard. So we got these shelves not that long ago to try and organize things, but they're already a little bit messy. So we really need to go through things. That's Ed's knitting things because he likes to knit. My documents and Ed's documents, some scarves because I took them off the side of the clothes rack because they were getting a bit extreme. And then we've got some empty holes, so I'm thinking of getting some of those organizers from IKEA. Oh, by the way, most of the furniture in here is from IKEA because we love IKEA. Oh, this is Ed when he was younger. We found this when we were tidying up. How cute is he? Okay, on to the next room. So that was the office. I can close that door. And then just through this door here is the living room kitchen. So as you can see, we've got the 2 big windows again, which we love. And the curtains are from TK Maxx as always. So this is our fridge, which people always say is a bit cluttered, but we just kind of love it because we've got Wicked, which we went to see. I went to China and Hong Kong a couple of years ago, so that's from Disneyland Hong Kong. This is Slimming Wheel for me because I'm trying to lose weight, and I got Slimmer of the Month. A couple of little things from Portugal. This is from America, off Ed's parents. This is off my sister because that's just her sense of humour. This is my little family, my dog from when we went to Bali. Yeah, so it's just loads of memories for us, so we like it. This is our kitchen, which is just the perfect size for us. Even though this is a rental, we actually put these shelves up ourselves. Don't worry, my dad is like a plumber, electrician. He knows what he's doing, and we'll take them down and fill in the holes before we leave, but hopefully that won't be for a while. This is the love of my life, the coffee machine and the dishwasher, because honestly I thought I was going to leave Ed over the amount of dirty dishes, but as you can see, having a dishwasher has changed everything. Our cooker, our spices, which are getting out of control. I might need to buy a second spice rack. And our fruit bowl. Ed is vegan, I'm vegetarian, and we go through fruit like crazy, so we really have to stock up. That will be gone in like a week. Some fake flowers. The vase is actually from Wilkinson's and the flowers are from IKEA, with some little photos. I really want to get more prints for around the flat. As you will see, it's a bit bare, so yeah, I would love to get some more prints. This is the view from our living room. It's really pretty. Loads of people walk their dogs in that park, so even though I'm not allowed a dog in this building, I still get to live vicariously through others. This is Monty. He is back, the co-presenter. He's been repotted and he is thriving. He is loving his new location. Our little armchair. And honestly, this sofa, I've wanted this sofa in my life longer than I've wanted Ed in my life. It is my pride and joy. It's actually a sofa bed. I can't show you the full thing because the coffee table's in the way. You literally pull these little tabs and the bed pops up into a double bed. And then the end here is actually storage. So we keep all the bedding for when people come to visit in there. It's my little blanket basket for when I get chilly. Our TV, you can see my legs. Hello there. We keep our remotes in the little basket under the table, out of the way. Here's our dining room table featuring one of our outdoor chairs, because even though it's gorgeous now, it was raining earlier in the week, so we had to bring our indoor furniture inside. Our little bookcase. This plant doesn't have a name because it's actually fake. It's from IKEA, but I wanted something in this corner even though it was dark. So we've got some photos here, some DVDs and games. This is my makeup storage. This basket just has like odds and ends in it, mostly chargers and nail lamp. These are my best friends. some photos of me and Ed in Bali. That's me and Ed in Winter Wonderland, Rhodes, Christmas, and Oslo. And if you can't tell, I love elephants. I got this little dragon from China, from Beijing. This is me and Ed when we were doing a pizza making class. Here's some of our other plants. So we've got Barnabas. Barnabas won on my Instagram story vote for the name. He is a palm plant and he's new. We got him from Morrison's. That's why he doesn't have a little pot, bless him. This is Derek, who I literally got, I think, about 3 weeks after we moved in, and he's still alive. I love him, he's my baby. This is me and my sister and some candles, some cookbooks, and a little stand. I recently got this new storage, so I haven't got anything in that yet. Here we've got some board games for when we have people around, because we like to play a few games, and some more DVDs, and our watering can. And then Rufus, who is looking a little bit sad. He's recently been repotted to try and help him out. But I know he looks sad, but it's because he's leaning. I put a stake in him. But he is actually growing really well. All these little leaves at the back are new, so. And he's got a new one coming here, look. He's doing well, honestly. He's just been a drama queen. And then I got this when me and my friends went to Manchester from the Object Shop, which if you ever go to Manchester, please check it out. It is gorgeous. I'll put a link in the description below. This is our balcony, which I love. We usually have some pink balcony furniture on here, which I tidied away because it was raining. And you can see our plants are doing quite well. They're surviving. And honestly, I don't think I'd be surviving lockdown if we didn't have this little space to be outside. We recently got this little elephant planter for those two in the corner. So that should be good. And then our clock, which is huge. Like, honestly, it takes up this entire wall. Such a mood. That little door in the cupboard is just our boiler and storage. I'll give you a little peek, but I swear it is a mess. So there's the garden furniture that I mentioned, and just Christmas stuff, my ring light and nails kit, just little bits and bobs. So yeah, so this is our kitchen living room. This is where we spend the majority of our time. You can see the bins in the corner, stuff that I need to throw away. And here we go, back into the corridor. This is just our washer. And my obsession with bedding and towels. Yes, I know I have a problem. I've recently gone through all my clothes and chucked a load of stuff out. This is the next thing on my list, I swear. This room right here is the main bathroom. Hi guys. So this is the main bathroom. It just has a bath here. My scales, toilet roll, the dreaded bleach, which we will not name, mirror, hi guys, toilet. These waffle towels, which I love, I got them from La Redoute, they're amazing. There's a lot of blank wall in here, so me and Ed have been looking to get either some shelves or some prints to put up, and I also want to put like a little, oh what a look, hi, a little storage thing here next to the bath. My shoes, oh, and those plates, just ignore them. Me and Ed have been trying to do a big tidy out, so we're meant to take them to a charity shop, but then lockdown happened, so that's where they kind of live for now. And now the grand finale, our bedroom. So, ooh, bang. Sorry, door. So this is our bedroom. I love this room. Again, with the gorgeous windows. I recently moved this room around. The wardrobes used to be on the other side of the room and the bed used to be in front of the window. because when we planned the furniture for this room, I didn't measure the wardrobe, and that's where I always wanted to put it, but it's in front of the radiator. So I thought, means as it's summer, I'll be able to put it in front of the radiator because we're not turning the radiator on. So I just did it, and I love it. I knew this would be perfect. So this is our bed. Got a lot of storage underneath it, my little rug, my bedside table. I always keep like a little notebook with a pencil on my bedside table because I'm currently doing my PhD and I can't sleep because I'm thinking about it all the time. So if I ever have an idea in the night, I can just get up and make a little note of it. A little coaster with a Polaroid in it, my book, which I'm currently rereading, all the True Blood books, my Nip and Fab. For my face, I use these every night before I go to sleep, so that's why they're on my bedside table. My little lamp from Dunelm. This is our bed. The big cushions are from H&M, the bedding's from TK Maxx, and it is gorgeous. My friend actually has it, so she's probably going to find out that I copied her from this video. And the Kutch pillow is something my mum got me when I moved away for university, so that's always on my bed as well. Our gorgeous little lampshade. And these curtains, which I really want to talk about because these are from TK Maxx as well, but they're actually velvet. Like I said, me and my friends went to Manchester recently and we stayed in the Object apartment, which is just, honestly, it's beautifully done, and they had these gorgeous velvet curtains, so I wanted to copy them, and I found these in TK Maxx. I'm so happy. So chest of drawers and some prints that I got from Fi. So basically I take up so much more room than Ed does, so this is all of my stuff. So we've got some of my jewellery. This usually has more rings on it, but I'm obviously wearing them. This was my nan's, a little fake plant which was from Primark. This was like a £5. I got this for my birthday recently because my friends know I love elephants. This is my jewellery box candle, and this is like my little shit box. It has face masks in it, some hand cream, bubbles, a glove in case I need to change my earrings, like my proper piercings that get stuck, a nail kit, and just bits and bobs like that. This is a travel jewellery box from Stackers because I love Stackers. They're just, honestly, it's so cool. It's honestly the best thing my mum ever got me. Laundry basket from IKEA again. Our suitcases. And even though I say I've cut my clothes down, like, okay, so obviously from here back it's Ed's. But those are my bags down there. And those two are mine. So you can see that the situation is still pretty dire. Ed's little bedside table. And then finally our little ensuite. Those are my dressing gowns, a summer one and a winter one. Ed's dressing gown, more of the La Redoute towels. It's a little storage we got from IKEA. These are bathers, but otherwise it's just bathroom stuff. And yeah, this is our little ensuite. Hello again. So this is basically it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our apartment. We've made such a difference to it in a year. I'm an effort into making this our little home. Can't believe Ed has survived living with me for a whole year. I feel like this video deserves a like just for that fact alone, like the fact that he survived. But if you have enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya! Again, I'm holding my phone with my hand, so only half a heart this time.